So dear student, you recall this particular program as I have explained you that there are the X sticks, and based on the X sticks what I have given, I have changed the base name. Now I am opening another new program. Okay, so this is another new program where the bar graph has been plotted. How the bar graph has been plotted? Bar graph has been plotted based on the particular bar plotting that has been given to here. So see here, in one line only I have plotted it here. So one line only I have plotted it. Based on this particular plotations, your output will going to execute. So this is the output that is executed. Okay, so this is the output that is executed. Where it gone, needs to be bring in front. This is the output that has been executed. So as the output has been executed, what you find it first, PLT bar. What I have said, I have given some numbers here, and then another set of numbers. So two set of number. What is the name? Label equals to bar 1. So different type of labeling and this legend making I have shown you, and I am showing you also. So you must remember all the things, you must practice them very nicely. Second way of declaration, you see that one again another group of series, another group of series, two group of series, that is I have named is bar 2. Now color, here you see I haven't specified any color, but here I have specified the color as G. That means by default it will going to take blue, as I have seen my earlier videos also. There you can you listen them very nicely. I have said it that the color will be by default it will take blue color. So when by default it will take a blue color, after that what if you give a name, if you don't give anything, then it also be a blue color. But now I have given a name of G. G means green. So as it is in green color, you see it that X level I have named some X level, and Y level also I have named it as Y level axis of the data set. I have given the name of it. Okay, that is the title. So everything I have used here. That means what? First, the legend here. I have called the legend, and for this legend I have labeled them, and I have given the name of this legend. Clear? This is first specification that you require. That if you are not labeling them, how it will going to show in a legend. So labeling has been done properly. This is the first labeling has been done. This is one. The second labeling has been done. Then color specification. First one I didn't specify any color. Second one I specify the color. But so by default, why I have done it intentionally, obviously, to show you that in the first case when I didn't specify, by default it will going to take a blue color. So it will be go in your mind. I have said in my earlier videos also that by default it will going to take a blue color, and then I have specified the color as G, so it will take a green color. Okay, so this is the particular thing what it will going to do. Next what you find it, that I have called an legend. If I don't call this legend, those the thing, this the thing you will not going to see. So this is what the legend is, what of the legend is. Next what you going to find is there X level. Okay, X level, what you see the X axis data sheet. There is an X axis data sheets are there. Next Y level I have given Y axis data sheet or data set. So after that I have given it the title also I have given. So every details, every part as per your requirement of creating the graph, everything I have specified here. Default specification, without a default specification, legend creation. Okay, so legend creation naming is important, so I have named them legend creation, and as well as you can see it the label has been given there. So very minutely you must look at all the programs and all the videos that I have uploaded. There you will see all the data, all the explanation has been done. Okay, very clearly you can understand and put it in your mind that how to work with the data sheet, how to work with the graph, how to implement the graph. That is very vital. So this is what your graph implementation that has been done here. So this is the graph implementation with all the requirements, all the different pattern of requirements that is required. That means basic requirements also you can say. Okay, they are the basic